Okay guys, we're gonna be doing a cold start on this Craftsman snowblower. It's covered in snow. It's our first snowstorm in Canada here, which is, we're in January. The date, I can't remember. What date is it? Holy, I can't remember the date. I'll put the date on there. Hold on, let me see my phone. Oh, January 9th. Got some storm here. Okay. It's not too much snow yet, but this is just the starting of the big storm that they're talking about. So just gonna clean this thing up, show you how nice this thing runs. So just put my choke on, choke fully, and prime this thing. I like priming it a lot more than what it says. It says, I think in cold weather, prime 2 times. I go like 7-10 times. When I hear some gas squishing in there, then I'm like, yep, good. And it never lets me down. Hopefully it doesn't lie on me now. Put my ignition on, and yeah, should be just pull one rip away. Bismillah. Oh no, look at that. What happened? Guys, this is the first time this thing didn't start ever with me. What did I do wrong here? Maybe more priming? Maybe turn the choke one less. Let's see. That never happened. Let's go. Round 2. Oh, there we go. There we go.